Hey, it's Joe Glines. In this video on AHK Studio, I'm going to demonstrate another way to do search replacing and multi-line typing. Check out the other video I did. It's more extensive and there's a lot more possibilities to it. But if you have a simple one, like let's say I wanted to replace every da, right? And you can see the cool thing, by the way, so let's see if there's a unique word. Like if you isn't anywhere else, I know that because when I'm on it, it doesn't get highlighted. But if I click on a word that has multiple, it'll instantly be highlighted. So it's a great way to know if you're typing your variable name, if it's not existent, you misspelled it or something if it's not highlighted, if you're trying to use it somewhere else. Anyway, so what you can do is, so if you hit Control-Alt without highlighting anything, right, of course, like most programs, it highlights everything. Sorry, I should say Control-A for select all, right? But if you're on a word and you highlight the word and then hit Control-A, it will highlight all of the instances of that word and then actually drop you into multi-line typing. So I can arrow over, I could start typing, right? There we go. Or then of course, again, remember the caret there is orange, and that helps you remember that you're in multi-line typing. And then I hit escape again and I'm no longer in it. So that's it. Basically, you go on the word that you want to, look for multiple instances of, and Control A, and that'll drop you into the multi-line typing with all of them highlighted. If I start typing right now, I think it replaces it. Yeah. Control A. So what you want to do more often than not is arrow one to the right or to the left and then start typing. So anyway, I just thought that was a cool, much easier, simpler way than doing the quick find and doing the search place, which is amazingly powerful, but this is, I think, a little simpler and easier to get a hang of. So cheers.